Have you ever heard about the Egyptian lotus? It's also known as the blue lotus or the blue water lily. It is a blue-purple flower with a bright yellow center. It was used in ancient Egypt as a part of religious ceremonies. Its petals were part of burial garlands. You can also find it in Egyptian art. Here are a few of my tips how you can add blue lotus into your day. I like to use it to hydrate my skin. So either in the morning or in the evening, or both, you can add it into your skin routine. Also, you can apply it on your hands, around your nails, on the bottom of your feet to soften your skin. It's a great oil to have for relaxation or relaxing scalp massage. Now, if you're ready to swap from synthetic perfume to essential oils, this one must be in your collection. On an emotional level, it's an oil of awakening. So if you feel spiritually stagnant, blocked, bitter, resentful, this one will be your oil. If you enjoyed my video and you would like to learn more about essential oils and natural solutions, follow my YouTube channel so you can get notification about my new videos.